Casement window installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows in Murray. We specialize in high-quality casement windows. Murray residents trust for durability and performance. With a focus on window frame replacement and window seal installation, our services ensure that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Our custom window solutions in Murray cater to all your needs, from window hardware upgrades to window glass replacement. Window maintenance services in Murray are essential for prolonging the life of your windows, including casement windows Murray homeowners rely on. Our team offers comprehensive window insulation services and window weatherproofing to protect your home from the elements. Whether you need window sash replacement or window hinge installation, we keep casement windows Murray properties in peak condition. For those interested in window style options, our window design consultation in Murray provides personalized recommendations. We proudly offer premium casement windows Murray clients prefer alongside double-glazed and energy-efficient window options. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit for every casement windows Murray installation. Home window renovation in Murray is made easy with our professional window installation services. We frequently install and upgrade casement windows Murray homeowners choose for improved airflow and modern design. From window screen installation to window lock installation, we ensure your casement windows Murray project is secure and stylish. Window contractor services in Murray offer peace of mind with our window installation warranty. We provide transparent window replacement cost estimates for casement windows Murray customers request, ensuring affordable upgrades without compromising quality. Our residential window services are tailored to meet each client's needs. Window leak installation and window glass replacement in Murray are crucial for maintaining your home's integrity. We service and install casement windows Murray residents depend on for tight seals and long-term performance. From window hinge installation to lock upgrades, our contractor services keep casement windows Murray functioning flawlessly. Custom window solutions in Murray include everything from sash replacement to weatherproofing. Our window maintenance services are ideal for preserving casement windows Murray homes feature, while our style options allow you to personalize your space. Choose us for reliable casement windows Murray installation and service. Affordable window replacement in Murray is within reach with our competitive pricing and expert craftsmanship. We specialize in cost-effective casement windows Murray homeowners appreciate for energy efficiency and style. Our warranty and precise measurement services ensure every casement windows Murray installation is completed to perfection. Professional window installation in Murray is our specialty, including high-performance casement windows Murray properties benefit from. From screen installation to insulation services, we provide comprehensive contractor solutions. Trust our team to deliver durable and attractive casement windows Murray upgrades for your home. For those seeking professional window contractor services in Murray, we offer expert casement windows Murray installation and frame replacement. Our energy-efficient and double-glazed options are designed to enhance comfort year-round. With custom solutions tailored to your home, casement windows Murray installations are seamless and precise. Window glass replacement in Murray is simple with our experienced technicians. We frequently upgrade and installation casement windows Murray residents rely on for functionality and curb appeal. From seal installation to hardware upgrades, we ensure every casement windows Murray project enhances energy efficiency. Explore our wide range of window style options in Murray to complement any architectural design. Casement windows Murray homeowners choose are among our most popular selections for ventilation and elegance. With maintenance, weatherproofing, and hinge installation services, we keep casement windows Murray operating smoothly. Secure your home with our professional lock installation services in Murray. We also provide trim replacement and pane installation for casement windows Murray properties require. Our leak installation services ensure casement windows Murray homes stay protected from moisture and drafts. For expert window design consultation in Murray, our team offers personalized advice tailored to your space. Many clients select Casement Windows Murray for their versatility and energy efficiency. With precise measurements and warranty-backed installations, Casement Windows Murray upgrades are both affordable and dependable. Our residential window services in Murray include complete installation solutions from start to finish. We provide clear pricing for Casement Windows Murray replacements, helping you make informed decisions. Trust our contractor services for high-quality Casement Windows Murray installations and energy-efficient upgrades. Choose our custom window solutions in Murray for a personalized touch. We specialize in installing and maintaining Casement Windows Murray Homeowners Trust for long-lasting clarity and durability. With our renovation services, Casement Windows Murray projects transform living spaces into more comfortable environments. Our window insulation services in Murray help keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Casement Windows Murray residents select are known for their tight seals and energy performance. Combined with maintenance and weatherproofing, Casement Windows Murray installations provide year-round protection. For sash replacement and hinge installation in Murray, rely on our experienced technicians. We ensure Casement Windows Murray homes feature open and close smoothly and securely. From lock installation to trim and pane upgrades, we complete every Casement Windows Murray project with attention to detail. Our window design consultation in Murray helps you select the best fit for your home. Casement Windows Murray are a top recommendation for homeowners seeking efficiency and style. With precise measurement services, a strong warranty, and affordable pricing, Casement Windows Murray installation is a seamless and rewarding experience.